And we're back to using Generative Fill. Let us check out how we can edit faces with it. It's not perfect, but it isn't that bad either. Let me use the lasso tool. I will start here with the lips. I'll make a selection that's very close to the lips and then I'll prompt red lips. So what you definitely want to do is to preserve most of the face that you've got, so make these selections very small or very close to what you want to edit, because otherwise the face is going to change in a bigger way. It can be a hit and miss, but the second one, that's actually usable. Let us check the eyes. I've switched in the top menu to add two selections so that I can select both eyes at the same time. And now I'll make it blue eyes. And again, it doesn't look bad. Some results, obviously, they're not natural. For example, number 3, she doesn't look into the camera anymore. So I wouldn't want to use that. Let us check the nose. So far, it hasn't yet been able to create good noses when I've tested it. You can see that here it doesn't look natural, and even though I've prompted small nose, it has given me a bigger nose than the original. So the AI doesn't seem to be there yet when it comes to noses, but everything else doesn't look that shabby. So if you combine this with regular photo editing, it may save you some time. And this is how you can use Generative Fill in Photoshop to edit faces. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.